Need quick cash? Let's explore why fast money-making methods are so needed. In today's world, financial emergencies can arise at any moment. Why wait for a traditional paycheck when you can address your needs immediately? Fast money can help cover unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Imagine your car breaks down and you need cash fast to fix it. Quick income solutions become essential. It also provides a safety net, offering financial flexibility and reducing stress during urgent situations. However, while the appeal is clear, it's important to avoid risky methods and prioritize legitimate opportunities. Tempted by illegal quick cash? Think twice before you act. Many people face financial pressures and might consider illegal activities for fast money. But is it worth the risk and consequences? Engaging in illegal activities can lead to serious legal issues, including jail time and hefty fines. For example, selling drugs or stolen goods might seem lucrative but can ruin your future. It also harms your reputation, making it harder to find legitimate work and opportunities later. While the lure of quick money is strong, the long-term negative impacts far outweigh the short-term gains. Stay safe and choose legal paths for earning money. Your future self will thank you. But are you worried about online scams while making fast cash? Let's learn how to stay safe. With the rise of online money-making opportunities, scams have become more common. But how can you ensure you're not falling into a trap? Always research the platform. Use only trusted websites that get positive reviews from Trustpilot.com. Look for reviews and ratings from other users. If a platform has many negative reviews, avoid it. Never pay upfront fees. Legitimate opportunities don't ask for money to get started. While some offers might seem too good to be true, thorough research and caution can help you find real opportunities. Follow these tips and you'll be making money online quickly and safely, avoiding scams along the way. In today's fast-paced world, many know quick ways to boost their income. But can you really make money fast without falling into these scams? One proven method is freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork offer quick gigs. Tasks like graphic design, writing, and virtual assistants can earn you cash within days. Another option is selling unused items on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. While these methods are effective, they require effort and time. Always be cautious of offers that seem too good to be true. Looking for even more quick cash solutions? Check these out. With the rise of the gig economy, there are countless opportunities to make money swiftly. Are you leveraging all your skills to maximize your earnings? Ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft offer flexible and quick income. Driving during peak hours like weekend evenings can significantly boost your earnings in a short amount of time. Food delivery services like DoorDash or Uber Eats also provide a fast way to make extra money. Though these jobs offer fast money, they come with costs like fuel and vehicle maintenance. Always calculate your net earnings. Need to earn cash quickly without leaving home? Let's explore some online opportunities. The internet offers a multitude of ways to make money fast, right from your computer. But how can you ensure these methods are legitimate and profitable? One reliable method is online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay for your opinions. You can earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and even playing games. Another option is to become an online tutor. Platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com connect you with students globally. While these opportunities are real, they require time and dedication. Be wary of sites promising instant wealth. By exploring these options, you can find the right fit to make money quickly and efficiently. But are you wondering how much quick cash you can actually earn online? Here's the reality. Quick money-making opportunities vary widely in earnings based on effort and skill. But what's a realistic expectation for fast cash? Freelancing gigs can pay anywhere from $5 to $50 per task on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Completing online surveys might earn you $1 to $5 per survey, while tutoring online can bring in $20 to $30 per hour. Selling items on eBay or Etsy can generate anywhere from $10 to $100 per sale, depending on the product. While you can make quick money, remember it often requires time, effort, and consistency to see significant returns. Keep realistic expectations, work smart, and you can see a reasonable amount of quick cash from these online methods. If you enjoyed this video, give us a shout and consider subscribing. Withdrawal signing off.